Good morning, students. It's Miss May Davis. Sorry I'm not there with you this morning. I had an appointment that was scheduled last minute, so I'm going to give you instructions to get you on your way. Today, you're formatting your essay. This assignment is on Canvas. It's on actually your assignment due for Friday, your essay final draft. This handout, I actually have a physical copy for you, but you will get it when I return in person on Thursday. But in the meantime, I would like for you to review the document here. Make sure you review all the steps that are required of you to set up your document. I'm going to go an overview of how I would like for you to do it, but you are required to look at the steps, such as how to set up your heading. Make sure your document is fully double spaced. Make sure you only choose this font, Times New Roman, and size 12. How to center your essay. Okay, make sure you read all the little requirements to set your paper up MLA format. So, how do you set up your essay? Please don't use any of the apps that are on your iPad. They're always glitchy. I want to avoid any problems or as many problems as we can. So, I'm going to ask that you set up your paper through Clever. Go to your Office 365. Go through find your Microsoft Word. If yours is not in a sidebar like mine's, you might have to click on the additional icon button, find your document. It'll take you to a page similar to this. Open a blank document, and it will open up your Word document. And now I'm here. I actually followed those directions that told me I need to have my heading, my name, teacher's name, period number, and the date. I actually included the date the assignment was due, not today's date. This paper is due March 17th, so you are going to want to set your paper up for March the 17th. St. Patrick's Day, by the way. How to do a double take. All right, the other thing that I need to do is that before you start typing, you want to make sure that you set your page line spacing to double space. So I go to line spacing. Mine is where the three extra sideways snowman is so that I can find the extra dots. I'm looking for the number 2 because I want my entire document to be double spaced. If you do that before you start typing, your entire document will come out the proper lengths apart. And there's nothing else that you have to do. If you start typing like I did, I simply highlighted all of my text. I found the page setup, went to line spacing, and then chose what I wanted and it established my document in the proper format. Make sure you set your font to Times New Roman and your font size to 12. Please do not go larger or smaller. In order to make your title, you want to make sure that you choose the alignment. This is the alignment button. This means that your alignment is all the way to the left. This one puts your title in the middle. This one puts your typing starting from the right. We very rarely use that one, only if we're making letters or typing letters. So today you're going to use left or center. The only thing that's centered on our paper is our title. Now, in your handouts, you have the 5 documents that are considered your rough draft. The introductory paragraph, this one I modeled for you. Your body paragraph, which establishes your reason 1 with evidence. Your second body paragraph is your reason 2 with evidence. Your counterclaim paragraph, and your conclusion paragraph. Think of these as paragraphs and not lines. So if you notice, on my rough draft, I gave an attention grabber, background information, opposing viewpoint, and thesis statement. I wanted to type each of these things on my Word document in paragraph format so that it looks like this. I made sure that I indented by tabbing over one time. After I'm done, after each line, I only have to return button one time. Okay, one time only. If you have any questions or you get a little confused, ask the sub. They may be able to help you. Ask Miss Lemus. She'll be happy to help you. Or you can send me an email or come see me at lunchtime today as I will be on campus at that time. You are reminded that you do have an assignment on Canvas. It's in your modules and it's called Wednesday Agenda. Make sure that you read each item in your agenda. The agenda assignment says required Wednesday agenda. You have 5 items. I actually link you back to the format for your essay here. Students who are not finished with your rough draft, this is what you need to know. If you have not finished your rough draft, you should at least set up your Word document and type your introduction paragraph. Then you can continue to work on the incomplete handouts of your essay. Again, this is your reminder. Your task today is 100% independent. Do not talk to your neighbor, and please sit in your assigned seats. I hope you have an awesome Wednesday. Stay focused.